Welcome back. Now in our satellite imagery this evening, we are continuing to monitor cloudy conditions across the central Caribbean because of the presence of an upper level system that is helping to generate these clouds across Hispaniola. However, across the western Caribbean, we do have a shallow frontal system helping to generate clouds, showers and thunderstorms across sections of western Cuba, also across the Gulf of Mexico. We also have some isolated clouds with isolated thunderstorms across sections of the Bahamas. The frontal system extends out into the open Atlantic. Now the forecast for tonight expected to be generally fair across most of the area. Temperatures are expected to drop to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston. We expect temperatures of 23 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. The winds are out of the north on the south coast, and we expect the winds from the east southeast across the north. Both coasts have speeds averaging about 5 knots. It's partly cloudy in the morning tomorrow, and in the afternoon isolated showers are forecast mainly for sections of the west. Temperature reaches 31 Celsius in Kingston, 30 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. It's partly cloudy across most of the southeast tomorrow, but you can expect some showers if you're in Spanish Town, Maypen, Mandeville, Santa Cruz, Black River or Savannah Lamar. Expect showers also if you're in Montego Bay or Lucy, Montego Bay or Falmouth. We are expecting it to be partly cloudy in sections of Brownstown, but isolated showers are likely across Christian and Grange Hill, also across Duncans in Trelawney and sections of Cave Valley in St. Anne. The next few days does have those isolated afternoon showers continuing. That's Tuesday as well as Wednesday and Thursday. For our marine forecast on the north coast, the winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. Between 1.5 and 2 meters. Similar conditions are likely on the south coast with winds from the east-southeast. While for offshore areas, the winds are easterly at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.